from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have a diamond painting unboxing for you. Oh, I just noticed my sock is on the floor. That's BB's favorite toy. She likes my husband Jim's even better. She likes daddy flavored socks. I have all these fancy toys for her and for Charlie. But no, her favorite thing is an old sock. Sometimes I'm getting ready to go out, put my socks on, or just get dressed, and she comes and steals them. She's a sock thief. And then I have to chase her around. In the case of that one, I just let her have it. Keeps her quiet, playing with my socks. Okay, let's see what we got. This box is pretty squished. And that's okay as long as the diamond painting isn't squished. A little dented, but not bad. Okay, there's a box. Get rid of that. Is it? Oh, good. It's in the picture. Lovely. This one is... Oh, it's this beautiful, like... I think it was called Icy Princess. With these beautiful, with a beautiful flowing gown and wings. There's the drills. Here's the toolkit. We got a white tray with a funnel, chunk of wax, a single pen, tweezers, and some bags. Very nice. So she is a 40 by 50 full drill round. And there's her picture. Very pretty colors. Kind of dark. Nothing bright, which just means it's just going to be beautiful. I'll put the image up for you. And let me try to... Wow, that's a lot of colors. Let me do a quick count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 42 colors. All on a 40 by 50. That's a lot of colors. That's gonna be exciting. Well, they covered it in paper and they cut the paper, which is fine. I'll probably cut these 2 sheets into 4 sheets. I like to do little areas at a time. Oh, this is very pretty. Just her gown and her wings are really flowy. They look very lacy. Very pretty. I'm not a fan of doing diamond paintings where the people have faces or these sprites. Some of them are, I just want them to put some clothes on. I think I'm getting old and I'm turning into a prude. But I have no interest in a sexy nymph to hang on my wall. No, thank you. I mean, some of the, like the Tinkerbell images, like the one with the tattoos, that's cool. I like the whole tough chick look. But some people get like the X-rated diamond paintings. No interest. No interest. There's a whole world of porn on the internet. If that's what you want, go watch it. Don't hang it on your wall. Does that make me a prude? What do you think? Some people like it. That's fine. That's fine. I don't judge other people because I really don't want other people to judge me. I'm trying to make this so the paper is going right, but my hand doesn't want to work today. There we go. Oops, I threw the drills on the floor. Alright, let me peel it down so you can see. There's a lot of... I ripped it. I'm so good at ripping it. There's a lot of dark colors, but I'm going to have to take a look at the drills. There's got to be a lot of... You know, I want to say white, but no, because bright, pure white would really make it kind of stark. So I'm betting a lot of this, what I would think would be white, is shades of gray. You know, we don't always realize that one color is made up of many colors. And that's where you get all the shading and the different tones. This is beautiful. Her wings, when I look at them up close, are all like shades of blue. And she's playing like, it looks like clarinet, but I bet it's like a golden flute. And there's doves by her flute. Okay, so I ordered some more washi tape because I was really enjoying the washi tape that I found on Wish. So I learned something new that I have to be careful of. This is the last one I got, and if you look at it, it's super sparkly, very pretty colors, but it's so thin. So I'm not even sure how I would use that on my diamond painting because I don't have any where the sticky is that thin. Okay, so there it is. I will do the inventory on the drills. I've been doing those at night, sitting in front of the TV. Let me just show you some of the colors. And there's a sheet in here. Thanks for tuning in and joining me. If you like my videos, hit like. There's a very pretty purple. There's a lot, like I said, dark gray, blues, medium gray, more gray, some green. There's no white in here. Let me get the sheet. No 310. There's a lot of different grays. I'm not kidding. A lot. 19 bags of 939, which is pretty dark. The most is this. Oh, and there's 42 colors. Did I say that? 42? Let's see. it's pretty even. There's a couple colors, 939 with 3600 drills. That's the most of any one color. And the symbols were very clear. I saw that. That was nice. So let me get to work doing this inventory. Thank you again for joining me. I really appreciate it. And you have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.